This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Liz Hall. This 1950s charmer is priced to sell. It has the original hardwood floors, built-in bookcases and pocket door. This home was built to be wheelchair accessible with concrete ramp at entry and wide halls and doors. The kitchen has been updated with bamboo countertops. The washer and dryer convey to new owner. This a great family neighborhood, close to greenway and parks. Home is being sold as is, where is. For more information, review the details below or contact Liz Hall at 865-584-4700.